DIY Ninja presents Aurora Nails. Hey guys, it's Trailer DIY Ninja, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Aurora nails. This is a little bit more of an advanced technique, kind of, not really. It's like intermediate, I guess. Not really for beginners because it's a lot of work, even for me. And yeah, not like I'm a professional or anything, but yes, this took a long time. This is the glitter Aurora nail. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it like this or add embellishments or snowflakes or anything, but I'm going to show you how I got to this point, and then at the end we'll do a final reveal of what the nails look like. This is, I don't know if it's capturing the Aurora-ness, but yeah, it's Aurora with a glitter coat on top. And this is using nail foil, so this is powder-free, chrome-free, powder-free, chrome powder-free. And yep, it was more work than I was expecting, so I'm just going to show you how I made it work. Okay, first thing you're going to need are Aurora nail foils. I bought these on Shein. I'll try to find one on Amazon in case you cannot wait for Shein, because they take a long time to deliver. Well, 2 weeks, and then some people may not have access to it. But yeah, you should be able to find these on Shein. I did buy like 3 different sets of Aurora nail foils on there just to see, because it's hard to tell online like if they really are Aurora nail foils or not, but these are, and they are like different color tints. However, they don't work as traditional nail foils. You actually have to cut them to the size of your nail and glue them on. So yeah, I wasn't expecting that, because normally nail foils you just press and lift and it's so easy, it's so fast, but these ones, not the case. I've tried all 3 sets that I bought, and yep, they all work the same. So that's what I mean by this is extra work, and it took a while. Well, I guess it took me a while to do that one nail because I was experimenting on like each side. I was like, was I pressing on the wrong side? Am I using these foils wrong? But no, at the end of the day, you have to literally cut these out. So in a way that's good, in a way that's bad, because you can kind of customize your look a bit more. You can cut them into like shards or diamonds and things like that, or an opal shape or strips, depending on what kind of look you're going for. But today I'm just going to do a full cover Aurora nail with a glitter top finish. So this is the foil that I used, and let me just show you really quickly what it looks like. So here it is. Can you see the rainbow in here, the Aurora-ness? Yeah, this is what we will be using, and you will have to cut it. And if it does come wrinkled, then wrinkles will show on your nail, which depending on what kind of look you want, it's up to you. So this time, this part here is a little bit wrinkly, which maybe I will just incorporate. And let me show you what else you'll need for this look. Okay, you will also need some foil glue gel. This is one from Model Ones. You're going to need a no wipe top coat. This is Beetle's Top It Off top coat. And you're going to need some kind of glitter gel polish. This is a, I believe, pink glitter gel polish from Model Ones. And because the foil you need to cut, you're going to need a pair of little mini snippers or embroidery scissors. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to begin, you're going to need to prep your press-on nails. You can do this on your own natural nails as well, but if you are using press-on nails, you're going to need a press-on nail stand. I'm just going to use this diamond one I got from Shein, and I am using full cover press-ons by, I believe, no, I forgot. Oh, BT Art Box. There we go. I have it linked. Everything I use, I have linked in the description box below under All Things Nails. So here I have it adhered to my nail stand using nano tape, so it's clear. And first, we're going to apply a thin coat of the nail foil glue gel. And you can put a base coat first if you want to, but I find that it's not really that necessary. So let's do that. So you're going to want to apply a put this gel is where the foil will stick. Okay, you're gonna cure for 2 minutes in UV, 1 minute in LED, and then we will apply the Aurora nail foil. Okay, so the glue gel has cured, and I'm just going to stick on this little wrinkly bit just to use it up, and we'll see what that looks like. So remember, you will have to cut this out. You can pre-cut it first, but I'm just going to stick it on here. Make sure it covers the entire nail. Let's smooth out any bits. Cut out. Okay, so cut around as close as you can, as neat as possible. If you do have some rough edges, it's okay. What we're gonna do is just top coat this with the Top It Off polish. Actually, you know what? We can put the glitter on first. That's probably a better idea. Let's put on our glitter polish and cure that on, and then we'll top it off with a top coat, and then we can file down any excess that is on the nail. And then we will finish it off with another top coat. So let's put on our Model 1 glitter. Let's just take a look at this beautiful glitter here. Isn't that pretty? And you can skip this glitter step if you don't want the glitter, but I think it looks fancier with the glitter on. So I will be putting on the glitter. Finished curing, so now I'm just going to top it off with my Beetles Top It Off top coat. To seal, really seal everything in, and you want to be generous with this. Okay, so here it's cured. I'm going to just take a little buffing block, and I'm going to take this off the nail stand so I can really see where I need to just clean up the edges. Alright guys, so this is the finished Aurora nail. It's kind of really hard to capture on camera the Aurora-ness, if that's a word. Like, it kind of looks like in real life, it flashes kind of like pinkish, peachy, orangey. It's really hard to tell. Like, I'm trying my best to capture it, and it just looks like a clear nail with glitter. But yeah, with a little bit of like it shifts, it kind of glows. It's really, really, really pretty in person. I just cannot for the life of me get this on camera for some reason. I do try later on, so hopefully you can see in later on footage. But yep, that's basically what you do. I'm gonna show you one more time. Let's see, can I get this? Do you see it? It's kind of like mother of pearl, but more. Like, it flashes and glows different colors. Maybe it's because it's not on a hand. But like I said, I will try to show you better footage. Anyways, let's do this one more time. So I do the nail glue gel, put the nail foil on or angel paper on, trim up the edges. And then that's what it looks like all trimmed up. Then I'm going to take my glitter gel and paint that on. After that is cured, I'm going to put a top coat on, and bam. So yeah, after you get the hang of it, it's really not that difficult, but when I was first figuring out this technique, it was quite hard. But here are all the nails all done, and like I said, it's just so hard to capture. Like, they don't look good in this shot. In real life, they are like, they glow, they sparkle, they glitter, they color shift. It's almost mystical, magical in real life. Like here, can you see a little bit more of that color shifting? It's so hard to capture, but here they are on my hand. I did put them on a little crooked and they look a little wonky, but you know, you won't do that for yours. So yeah, here is the thumb. I'm trying to focus. Like, it's so sparkly, my camera's having trouble focusing just because there's just too many colors and stuff going on. But yeah, hopefully you can see. The rest of this video is me trying to show you how Aurora they look. But yeah, they are really pretty. I think these were a lot of work, but they are worth it. They're probably my favorite type of nails. And yeah, if only they made nail foils that actually work like regular nail foils, that would be so much easier and I'd probably do this look way more. But because these nails took me so long, I'm just going to hopefully reuse these press-ons. And yeah, I just have to shape the ends a little bit because they lost a bit of their coffin shape from my 2 layers of top coat. I did end up putting a couple layers of top coat on just to seal in the glitter. And I'm not sure if I mentioned that earlier, but yeah, now you know. But yeah, it's so sparkly. It's really, really pretty. Like I said, it has this magical angel, Aurora Opal look, and it's just gorgeous. And it works for the holidays and for all times of the year. So here it is on my keyboard. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this nail tutorial. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!